until I give you the sign. When they begin to snap, I want you to hear the sound of hell crumble. And after you have listened to hell crumble, then you are going to worship God without any limitations. You are going to, come on, if you break that ruler, the first way you're going to let the adversary know that the high places have been reclaimed by the people of God is in praise. And it's going to be more than just a little bob. You're going to break the ruler of your praise. You're going to come out of the limitations. Come on, you're going to do more than just pat it 3 times. But there's about to be an explosion of apostolic praise and worship in this building. It's about to revolutionize our cities, revolutionize the world. We're about to declare over the adversary, it's over. On the count of 3, we will break up. 1. Your kingdom's coming down. You've ruled long enough. 2. Over every insecurity, small-minded thinking,